Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data reporting with Microsoft Power BI detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize data reporting with Microsoft Power BI, start by defining your reporting goals. Identify the key metrics and data points you need to track. Gather your data sources, ensuring you have access to all necessary information. Connect Power BI to your data sources using the Get Data feature. Choose the appropriate data connection type, such as Excel, SQL Server, or online services. Load the relevant data into Power BI, avoiding unnecessary columns for cleaner reports. Transform your data using Power Query to ensure it's in the right format. Use features like filtering, pivoting, and merging to prepare your data for analysis. Create calculated columns and measures to enhance your data insights. Utilize DAX, data analysis expressions, for advanced calculations and custom metrics. Design intuitive visuals by choosing appropriate chart types for your data. Incorporate slicers and filters to allow users to interact with the report. Format your report for clarity and professionalism, focusing on color schemes and layout. Add titles, labels, and tooltips to guide users through the data. Optimize performance by reducing the amount of data loaded into Power BI, using summary tables when necessary. Avoid complex visuals that may slow down report performance. Publish your report to Power BI service for broader access. Share your report with stakeholders through direct links or embedded options. Set up scheduled data refreshes to ensure your reports are always up to date. Monitor user feedback to continually refine and improve your reports. Leverage Power BI's collaboration features to enhance team engagement and decision-making. Consider training sessions to empower users to make the most of the reports provided. Use dashboards to summarize insights from multiple reports in one view. Regularly review your reporting goals to ensure alignment with business objectives. Stay updated with new Power BI features and best practices to keep improving your reports. With these steps, you can create optimized data reports that drive insights and decision-making in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.